Welcome to the gasper. I am just doing another video, so in this video I am going to be talking about streaming platforms and stuff. YouTube, Disney Plus, Netflix, HBO, Paramount Plus and stuff. And I'm going to be talking about why I like TV better than the streaming platforms and stuff. Well, first of all, Paramount Plus, Disney Plus, Hulu. In order to keep those streaming platforms going, they just cost lots of money and stuff. Yeah, because I only get Disney Plus just to watch every new Star Wars season, you know, like The Mandalorian, Ahsoka, Obi-Wan, any new season that might come out. That's the only time I get Disney Plus and stuff. It's just like, it's very expensive to keep going just for that one platform and stuff. You can download Disney Plus on your phone. You can download it on the TV. I thought it was cool at first with the streaming platforms. You could just download them on your TV and stuff. No longer need TV and stuff. You could just use the internet and stuff. Well, it's very expensive, because if those apps were free, I guess that would be cool and stuff. But the thing about the streaming platforms, because they do their own shows now and stuff. A lot of streaming platforms do their own shows, like Hulu, Netflix and stuff. Sometimes movie scenes and show scenes are just kind of in random places, you know, because like with regular TV shows and stuff, they stay consistent and stuff. They don't do random scenes. Yeah, they might change character, they might change the outfits and stuff, do something different, but at least it was consistent to what they were doing, what the show was about, you know. But nowadays, it's just all over the place. I mean, about the new cameras for Disney Plus and Netflix, the camera angles are just kind of too wide, maybe kind of too like this, you know, because my phone and stuff, it's not a wide camera angle, it ain't too wide and stuff. That's the thing I like about this camera and stuff. Yeah, cameras like these, old modern ones, maybe the ones from 2015, I think these were better and stuff. Like lenses, camera angles were not too wide, but the newer ones, they are way wider and stuff. I don't think the quality gets any better than that. Yeah, I don't think it gets any better. The only time make it better is like getting new lens and stuff, putting them over it so you can see the background a lot better. Same thing with 4K, for example. Yeah, because a lot of TV shows back in 2015, they all use the same cameras, the same brand, get a new lens once in a while just to show the background a little bit better so you can see crowds and stuff, like football shows, TV shows and stuff. They upgraded lens a lot just to see better, and that's what made those shows on TV so much better and stuff. But now with shows on their own streaming platforms and stuff, they're just random all over the place. Because since I got my first Amazon package, that camera and stuff, there's like a TV antenna box and stuff that's very, very new and stuff. It can reach like hundreds and hundreds of miles away from your current city limits and stuff, depending on how far you are. I might just get that and stuff, because I get Hulu just to watch new Family Guy episodes, just to watch King of the Hill once in a while and stuff, to binge watch it like American Dad and stuff. It's ridiculous and stuff. Might as well get an antenna and stuff. Might as well get a 4K or maybe a 1080p one. And it's only like $40 on Amazon. I'm going to save up for it and stuff and just hook it to my TV. Maybe get a new one and stuff and just hook it up. I would save so much money and stuff That would save so much money and stuff. But I might get Disney Plus once in a while, just to watch new episodes and stuff, because I know we can watch old movies and stuff, but we can just get them on DVD, you know? Because I already have Star Wars and stuff already. Yeah, because I have like at least 5 Star Wars movies to the max. The only thing missing is the Phantom Menace. I just gotta order that too and stuff, so I have the entire Star Wars collection. Yeah, if you want to watch old movies that you haven't watched in a while, you want to rewatch it, like, just put it in the player, you know? All you have to do is just put it in the disc, take care of it and stuff, and you can keep it for a lifetime, you know? Yeah, the only time I get Netflix just to watch Cobra Kai. If you don't know what Cobra Kai is, it's like 30 years later after Karate Kid. Johnny and Daniel comes back. Johnny trains Cobra Kai students. He opens his own dojo, ends up losing it to Kreese and stuff. Daniel has a dealership. He has his own dojo to pass on Mr. Miyagi's teachings to the students. Sam, Robbie, Dimitri, Miguel and stuff, they all combine forces in season 4. So Miyagi-Do Eagle Fang, because Eagle Fang is Johnny's new dojo and stuff. Silver comes into the picture and stuff. I mean, on Netflix, that's fine and stuff. It's still random, but I did like season 1 and 2. They were really good and stuff. They were really good. I love season 1 and 2 of Cobra Kai. Season 4, it was a good season. The only thing that was good about season 4 is Terry Silver, because Terry Silver is the one from Karate Kid 3 and stuff that terrorized Daniel. Johnny and Daniel fight using their karate skills and stuff. And that was so cool. I like season 5. I hope season 6 is going to be good and stuff. When season 6 comes, once I get the trailer, I will get Netflix just to watch the final season of Cobra Kai and stuff. Yeah, I might just get a TV antenna for maybe like $40 or $50 and stuff. I would save money that way. You know, Time Warner Cable and stuff, just having all those streaming platforms and stuff, it's no different than having Spectrum or Time Warner and stuff. It's really no different and stuff. I mean, you can get yearly Disney Plus subscriptions for like well, I think it's $80 now since Disney Plus raised up their prices and stuff, since Disney Plus raised their prices up. Yeah, because that TV antenna has at least 20 channels or even 30 at the maximum and stuff. Might as well get that so that way I can still watch my favorite shows. I can just binge watch them on the couch and stuff. So the only good streaming platforms on TVs, in my opinion, smart TVs, Roku TVs, Roku boxes, is YouTube, because you get to binge watch videos in bed or on the couch and stuff. The other good one is Pluto TV and Roku channel, because you get to watch ABC, all your favorite shows and stuff. And even on Pluto, they have Comedy Central. You get to watch South Park at 3 o'clock and stuff. They have comedy shows and stuff. These are the only good streaming platforms, in my opinion, and stuff. With YouTube TV, I checked the price, and it's like $71 a month. That is crazy and stuff. And it's no different than having cable or DirecTV. It's no different. I mean, the only difference is Disney Plus, because it's only $9 a month and you get to pay $60 a year. But still, the Disney Plus shows, I don't think the quality gets any better and stuff. They're just using technology, not actual camera stuff anymore. Because with actual TV still around and stuff, actual TV and stuff, because even with regular TV, they still upgrade quality still. They still put new lens in and stuff. They still clean them out once in a while and stuff, buy a new one just to show better quality, show the backgrounds a lot better and stuff. That's the only good thing about regular TV still and stuff. They still do regular shows and stuff until 2024 and stuff. It's just as good as it was years ago, but even better and stuff. Alright guys, that's all I have to say. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Hit like and subscribe. Bye.